What's up, you guys? So welcome to my living room tour. Okay, so yeah, there's my kitchen. It's sort of messy, so I've got some plants kind of blocking that, but that's where those plants stay anyway, so whatever. But yeah, whenever you first walk in, this is what you see. You see the side of this Pantone chair, I mean not Pantone chair, Porter's chair, and then you see my vintage sofa that I got from Marketplace, and then I moved my lucite bench over there. And I upholstered it in like a Tommy Bahama fabric. But anyway, I sold my sofa and sold some things and changed out some things. I've had the zebra hide and this little poof here, or ottoman, along with that one. They're the same colors, but I've had those for a while, and I added the fringe there. This vintage cantilever chair I got from an estate sale. It's black, and I just draped some faux sheepskin over it. The vintage brass table I got from Let Go several years ago. And then I got this vintage marble little table from an antique shop. And then a lot of the little goodies and stuff, it's generally from thrift stores. That's where I get a lot of my little home decor stuff. And then like lamps. Yeah, that's like a 90s style or an 80s style lamp. And then we have this silhouette that I got from an estate sale. I need to paint the painting. I'm gonna do something like a big ink blot or something like that. I haven't made up my mind yet. So yeah, that's the hallway back there, as you can tell. And then that's my art room. Let's see, the Venetian style mirror I got online. I don't even remember where I got it. And then I freehanded the walls, and then I did cohesive freehand walls in my kitchen. As you can see, the Moroccan style chandelier is from Morocco. It is a vintage piece that came from an antique shop, and this portrait I got from Let Go. I mean, one of those resale places. What's it? Marketplace. And then I did the painting up there, just that little black and white thing, and then yeah, that's all I'm going to discuss with the kitchen. I did paint the kitchen cabinets blue, as you can see. So I'm going to take you around the other side of the room. Okay, so then we have, oh yeah, the vintage campaign piece I've already shown you guys. I painted it white. And then the armoire over there to the left behind the door, I've had that. And then I got that from an estate sale. And then the lucite bar cart, I did get that from Let Go. And let's see, the vintage French mirror above the chartreuse desk, I've had from an antique shop from a long time ago. And let's see, the painting I did to the right of the desk. I painted the desk chartreuse. It was like an emerald green. And then I paired the desk with this Pantone chair, mid-century style Pantone chair. So I'm gonna bring you a little closer. So yeah, there's that. This little elephant I painted white. It came from a thrift store. And then I put this bench there because it's smaller. And then I put this mantle here. This is an antique mantle that I've had for several years, ever since like 2012. And I got that from an antique shop. The portrait I got from a thrift store. The sconces, thrift store. The bust, I think from Home Goods, and I painted it black. And then 90s or 80s lamp came from thrifting. So yeah, and then I just paired some books in there. But yeah, I painted the mantle the same color as my kitchen cabinets for like a cohesive, nice flow. I don't know, I'm just liking the vibe with it being the same color. Still have my Sputnik chandelier up there. All right, you guys, I guess that about wraps it up. It's pretty cloudy right now, so I apologize if it's kind of dark. So yeah, thank you for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.